Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of a Shiba Inu. What's the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu. Please subscribe my channel before starting this video. Guys, right now price of Shiba Inu in the market is about $0.0006 That is a right now price of Shiba Inu. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes of a Shiba Inu, so in a right now situation, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Shiba Inu is about negative. I mean the price completely decreased. The price is in the dumping mode. So what should we do at this time? What is the best decision for all of you? Now you can see here if we took the changes of Shiba Inu. So I mean from 7 days completely the price jumps. You can see here there is a last 7 days update, negative 9.31% the price decrease. Furthermore, if we talk about the highest price of $0.0008 that is the highest, and right now price is about $0.0006. So now it is a bad time of Shiba Inu. There is a hope that the price changes will become positive and everything will be okay, but in a right now situation there's no possibilities. So I recommend for you to please hold it, don't decide to sell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.